Good morning. Today is Monday, May the 4th, 2026. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is a zinc install video for Edna's Secret. We also are going to investigate why the trim tabs are wobbly, which afterwards I'll give my theory, but let's go ahead and check out the zincs. So now I'm going to go ahead and move around the trim tabs, and then I'm going to inspect the spots that I believe are the problem areas, and then afterwards I'll go ahead and say why I believe they are wobbly like this. But let's go check them out. Okay, so here's my ideas and my thoughts. These are two really big trim tabs, and there's only one strut on each. Along with that, there's supposed to be a rod that connects, or that goes through the hinges on the back, and either these don't have rods in them, or the rods are so small that they don't go all the way out to the far ends, which is where we could also get that wobbliness. Those are my two ideas. I'm going to send this video over to Dane, let him check it all out, and see if there might be anything that he may think are the reasons for it not working, with them being wobbly. As always, thank you for choosing DS Dive.